Okay. This bullshit. Alright, so Hustlers, while they're great machines, they have horrible rear ends in them. Not all of them, just the shit you buy from Lowe's. I'm under these things about half my fucking week. Yeah, it's probably the 6th one I've done this week. So what happens is they snap all these support bolts for your hydraulics snapped up in the front. And basically you break one bolt and it's a chain reaction. They're G5 bolts, are decent bolts, but not really the problem. It's partially operator error. I mean, these guys are jumping curves and doing crazy stuff on them. But this clutch is stuck on the shaft. So I've got to figure out how to get that down. Now I've got a way to get it down, but there's the rest of the clutch. And I'm going to start making full content video on repairing zero turns. Hopefully it helps a lot of people. I could help a lot of people. I do this like a mechanic does cars every day. I mean, this is what I do. This is my trade. This clutch is pretty worn. I know these things like the back of my hand. I'm gonna start posting Hustler videos, repair videos, explain to people the good and bad things they could change that would prevent this if they wanted to. Go up to a higher grade bolt on your hydraulic supports. You see how that one's gone. That's what caused this. Bolt snapped, so the head of the bolt is still up here. Yep, that's what it is. If I can get it out, I'll show you. Man, bad spot. Well, I'll have to take the tire off. Probably. Hold on. Yeah, because the hydraulic is leaned, so it's pinching the bolt, but that bolt's broken off up in there. Bolt's broken off here. So in turn, what happened is the tire squat. See, they're V'ing in. Then it throws a hydro belt and causes a damn mess. And you come to see me. But I'll keep filming in a little while to get some things done.